introduce you to my boat. That's why we're here. Not for me. Sorry. It's called Naklisi Mayak, which is an Inuit word that means empty belly. Find the pun. There's always a pun. It also reminds me to stay hungry, like stay focused, stay driven. So anyway, that's why the name. It's a wood strip boat, which means there's long, thin wood strips. It's 17 feet and 8 inches and 23 inches wide at the beam, which is just wider than my butt. Just a little bit. It was an awesome project. I really had a lot of fun, but I couldn't do it alone. And so I wanted to say thanks to a few people. First, Heather, for her patience this month. For kayaking and moving. Love you. And then next to John Cronin. John's a builder and helped me through some really hairy corners of building this project. I couldn't have gotten through without him. To all your friends, you included, who listened to my stories, a lot of talking about this boat, and all the strangers who also have listened to these same stories. Again, to John for helping me stay focused here at the end. Thanks. Joe Johnson was videoing in the game. Hey, Joe!
All right.
And a student from Oaks, Jess Carson, who helped me come up with the name. Alicia, who's not here, for helping with the graphics and get some tools. Sky, who works at RAC, who loaned me space at Hubbard Street to get going through the spring quarter. Dave and Sheila. Dave owns that kayak shop, who taught me how to get going and gave me a chance to paddle a lot. And Sheila, who's our chiropractor, who kept my back healthy.
Nice.
So I keep doing it. For Oaks, for the space here at the end, to get it done. And all the staff who kept it safe. And again to Heather for seeing me through this whole project. Thanks, everybody.
Yay! All right.
All right, we're gonna christen it. Naklisi Mayak. Woo! Woo! Yeah, we'll dump a little more. Don't get caught.
I'll take the $300 ticket. I'm leaving.
Okay, so I'm going to get in, paddle out a little, and then roll it. Woo! I'm going to get in the boat. I'm going to paddle out. I'm going to show you what a roll. It's commonly called an Eskimo roll, although I don't think we're supposed to call folks Eskimos. Inuit roll. And then I'm going to paddle back in, and that's a show. So if you want to watch, great. If not, if you got a few meter, I understand.
There's some champagne.
Thanks again for.
All right, come on, Susan. All right. It floats.
Good, how you doing, Bill?
Good.
Looking good. Yep.
Good. Woo.
Nice work.
All right, that's it. Thanks, bro.
Sure.
It's getting everybody too excited.
Who's telling you?